phone.
Past 24 hours, most areas received a quarter-inch of rain or less, with some isolated
Hey,
spots
y'all
closer
trying
to
to
half
bring
an
my
inch.
excitement here along
This was
with my
primarily a light
Hunter
but
Nunya.
steady rainfall in association with the coastal low-pressure system moving up the coast yesterday.
We were downstairs playing some air hockey, and there was a wind advisory issue, but there was no EAS, and it's for a couple of counties in the eastern panhandle of West Virginia and the northern Virginia Blue Ridge and a couple of areas in that. And so we're going to catch that on 3 different stations and do a simultaneous alert test of all of our radios. His SANG CL100 is currently tuned to Martinsburg station WXM42, served by NWS Sterling and NWS Baltimore. Well, all these stations are served by Sterling and Baltimore. My WR120B is tuned into WXM43,
Shenandoah River at Millville for 8 a.m. Monday is 3.9 and for
which is out of Frostburg, Maryland. And my EAR10 Black is tuned into WXM73 Moorfield.
the forecast for the Potomac River at Pawpaw for 8 a.m. Monday.
So let's catch this alert. First up on the SANG.
And we have my Sanjin, of course, running on batteries, 4 AA's, if anyone was wondering. Let's get this going.
There's only a couple sockets in here, and one of them is occupied by both my radios. Because, of course, I'm the cheapo who didn't get any AA's, much less rechargeables.
And I will be getting rechargeable sometime soon.
But hit it!
Here we go. Put it on weather. Whoa. This bat is like very floppy. Poor camera work, dude. Hang on.
Forecast for the Shenandoah
Ignore that,
River at
guys.
Millville for 8 a.m. Monday is 3.9, and for 8 a.m. Tuesday is 3.7.
Are you ready to do the siren
forecast
test?
for the Potomac River at Point of Rocks for 8 a.m. Monday is
Please turn that
3.6, and for
triple.
8 a.m. Tuesday is 4.0. The forecast for the Potomac River at Edwards Ferry for 8
This is what it
a.m.
sounds like
Monday
with
is
my old weather
6.2,
radio.
and for 8 a.m.
0
Tuesday
base.
is 6.5.
That's what it sounds like with the
The
Midland.
forecast for the Potomac River at Little Falls for 8 a.m. Monday is 4.3, and
Boom.
for 8 a.m. Tuesday is 4.3. Forecasts include all precipitation through 8 a.m. today, plus the FX projected precipitation through the following 72
Yes, and if I
hours.
switch this switch right here to warning or watch, it basically, I think it's the alert mode. So basically, whenever I flip the switch, it puts it into whenever there's an alert issued, it'll self-activate. So we're just gonna switch that back. Press weather. And of course, it's 12:32 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Eastern Daylight Time, sorry. And it's RBDS compatible this radio, and I also set it up for the time for RBDS.
Elevations above 2,000 feet,
So the
including
time
the
is accurate.
Skyline Drive. Wind advisory in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 8 a.m. Monday. This afternoon, partly sunny. Scattered showers. Highs in the lower 50s. Tonight, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Scattered showers. Lows in the lower 40s. Breezy. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 40s. Breezy. Monday night, cold. Mostly clear. Lows in the upper 30s. Tuesday, mostly clear. Highs in the mid-50s. Wednesday, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s. Highs in the mid-60s. Thursday, mostly cloudy. Showers likely. Lows in the mid-50s. Highs in the lower 60s. 4 degrees. Weather outlook is for eastern West Virginia and New York, central Virginia, and central and western Maryland, with the exception of
Today's conditions.
Day 1.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service.
A wind of
For the following counties: in Virginia, Central Virginia Blue Ridge, Eastern Highland, Northern Virginia Blue Ridge and Western Highland, and the following counties: in West Virginia, Eastern Pendleton, Western Grant, and Western Pendleton. Wind advisory in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 8 a.m. Monday. The National Weather Service in Baltimore, Maryland/Washington has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 8 a.m. Monday. Timing: this evening through early Monday morning. Winds, west 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts to around 50 miles per hour. Impacts, gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. A wind advisory means that winds of 45 to 55 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. This is a statement from the National Weather Service.
Holy bacon.
For the following county, District of Columbia, and Arlington Falls Church and Alexandria, Virginia. Coastal flood advisory in effect until 2 p.m. this afternoon. The National Weather Service in Baltimore, Maryland/Washington has issued a coastal flood advisory, which is in effect until 2 p.m. this afternoon. Locations, shoreline in the District of Columbia and Arlington County and the city of Alexandria. Tidal departure, around 1.5 feet above normal. Timing, around the time of high tide. High tide at Washington Channel, 11:13 a.m. Alexandria, 11:31 a.m. Impacts, shoreline inundation is expected along portions of the seawall adjacent to Ohio Drive and the Haynes Point Loop Road and near the tidal basin. Water is expected to approach the curb near the intersection of King Street and Strand Street in Alexandria. Minor shoreline inundation up to 1 foot above ground is possible elsewhere. A coastal flood advisory indicates that offshore winds and tides will combine.
Hunter.
The noon observation in at Reagan
48. At Frederick, partly sunny.
You know,
Temperature 55. At Winchester,
Winchester,
cloudy. Temperature 50.
That's my first ever
At
coastal
Westminster,
advisory.
Oh yeah.
Temperature 52.
And my first wind advisory.
Wind west at 10 miles an hour,
Now we're
gusting
on
to
San-
16.
that was on WXM
At Dulles
23.
Airport, partly
That was
sunny.
22 on San-
Temperature
WXM
54.
23 on San Gian.
Wind west at 9 miles an hour. At Reagan National Airport, partly sunny. 59. West wind at 13 miles an hour. At Bedford, the temperature was 44. West wind at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 21. At Altoona, cloudy. 43 degrees. West wind at 15, gusting to 23. At Johnstown, cloudy skies. 38. Wind southwest at 14 miles an hour, gusting to 22. At Pittsburgh, cloudy. 44 degrees. Southwest wind at 8. At Harrisburg, cloudy. 53 degrees. Northwest wind at 8. At Baltimore Washington Airport, partly sunny skies.
That's not possible recording.
56.
Alright, I heard someone walking down the
Wind
hall.
west
So.
at 13 miles an hour, gusting to 23. At Roanoke, partly sunny skies. 55. Wind southwest at 8 miles an hour. The current time is 12:39 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh! Hang on, I gotta
Here is a
reset
look
my
at the
timer.
weather features that will affect the region over the next several days. A Clipper system approaching from the Great Lakes will cross the mid-Atlantic tonight, likely bringing scattered showers and some gusty winds, especially over the higher terrain.
12:39.
Breezy conditions are expected Monday as high pressure builds into the area from the Ohio Valley. This area of high pressure will move overhead Tuesday before moving offshore Wednesday, leading to a dry weather pattern. Temperatures will warm Wednesday into Thursday as high pressure moves offshore and southerly flow returns. A cold front will then approach from the midsection of the country late in the week, bringing the next appreciable chance of...
Alright, you want to switch back over to the Midland?
This river levels in the Potomac, Shenandoah, and Rappahannock basins are as follows.
Let's just keep on going with
All reports are current as of 7 a.m. and are measured in feet. For North Branch Potomac River at Kitzmiller, 3.4. North Branch Potomac River at Luke, 3.2.
We're gonna see if anything's on the alert works.
South Fork, South Branch Potomac near Moorfield, 3.2. South Branch Potomac River near Petersburg, 4.9. North Fork Shenandoah River at Coots Store, 3.1. North Fork Shenandoah River near Strasburg, 2.5. South Fork Shenandoah River at Linwood, 3.8. South Fork Shenandoah River near Luray, 4.0. Georges Creek at Westernport, 4.0. Wills Creek near Cumberland, 3.4. South River at Waynesboro, 3.5. Cuckhaven River near Great Cuckhaven, 2.2. This hazardous weather outlook is for eastern West Virginia, northern and central Virginia, and central and western Maryland with the exception of Garrett County. Day 1, this afternoon and tonight. A wind advisory is in effect tonight for portions of the Allegheny Highlands and Virginia Blue Ridge. Days 2 through 7, Monday through Saturday. The wind advisory is in effect through early Monday morning. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Central Virginia Blue Ridge, Eastern Highland, Northern Virginia Blue Ridge and Western Highland, and the following counties, in West Virginia, Eastern Pendleton, Western Grant, and Western Pendleton. Wind advisory in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 8 a.m. Monday. The National Weather Service in Baltimore, Maryland/Washington has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 8 a.m. Monday. Timing, this evening through early Monday morning. Winds, west 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts to around 50 miles per hour.
Shoot, 50 miles per hour, eh?
Impacts, gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. A wind advisory means that winds of 45 to 55 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. The noon observations. At Martinsburg, winds at 20 miles an hour. Lows around 40. This outlook is for the Maryland portion of the Chesapeake Bay, tidal Potomac River, and adjacent counties in central Maryland and northern Virginia, as well as the District of Columbia. Day 1, this afternoon and tonight. A period of gale force wind gusts are possible over the waters as a cold front crosses this evening. Days 2 through 7, Monday through Saturday. No hazardous weather is expected at this time. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. Now for the National Weather Service marine forecast for the Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach. This afternoon, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves 2 feet. Tonight, southwest winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts to 25 knots. Waves 2 to 3 feet. Scattered showers. Monday, west winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts to 30 knots.
This is a marine forecast station, by the way.
Monday night, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts to 25 knots. Waves 2 to 3 feet. Tuesday, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Now for the National Weather Service marine forecast for the tidal Potomac from Key Bridge to Smith Point. This afternoon, southwest winds 10 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Scattered sprinkles. Tonight, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts to 25 knots. Waves 2 feet. Scattered showers. Monday, west winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts to 25 knots. Waves 3 feet. Monday night, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts to 25 knots. Waves 2 to 3 feet. Tuesday, southwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Waves 1 to 2 feet. Mostly cloudy. Showers likely. Lows in the mid-50s. Highs in the lower 60s. This hazardous weather outlook is for eastern West Virginia, northern and central Virginia, and central and western Maryland with the exception of Garrett County. Day 1, this afternoon and tonight. A wind advisory is in effect tonight for portions of the Allegheny Highlands and Virginia Blue Ridge. Days 2 through 7, Monday through Saturday. The wind advisory is in effect through early Monday morning. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Central Virginia Blue Ridge, Eastern Highland, Northern Virginia Blue Ridge and Western Highland, and the following counties, in West Virginia, Eastern Pendleton, Western Grant and Western Pendleton. Wind advisory in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 8 a.m. Monday.
UX74.
The National Weather Service in Baltimore, Maryland/Washington has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 8 a.m. Monday. Timing: this evening through early Monday morning. Winds, west 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts to around 50 miles per hour. Impacts: gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. A wind advisory means that winds of 45 to 55 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard Station WXM42, broadcasting from the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia, and transmitting on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz from an antenna located in Hagerstown, Maryland.
Here we go.
Okay, hang on. So you have off currently selected?
Yep.
So when we say 1, go over to warning, which is to the left.
Alright.
Okay, so 3, 2, 1.
Jeez, oh flip, that's loud. That's only on low too.
Humidity was 65%.
I told my mom about that. She's like, more like loud, louder, and ear bleeding. Okay, let's stop that.
Did you do your alert works?
Yeah.
55.
The quietest of all. Didn't you hear the?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the alert works. So I'll take my phone.
Wind west.
Here you go.
That's all for now, folks.
This is Hunter Nunya and Emulated Excitement.
Signing off.
Button.